Hey everybody, we are going to clean the injectors on the 5.3 with the injector tester. We got it hooked up to my power supply. You can test it with different modes. I hope you can hear that from there. Kind of something like a tattoo gun. Okay, so what we do is we take the injector. Make sure it's the right one. We're going to push it back out the way it would come in. So let me see if you guys can see it from there. I don't want to get stuff all over it, but you see, that's the spray nozzle. So we're going to push everything back out through the spray nozzle the way it came. I'm going to push this away from my camera. Just hold it. Okay, so we got done pushing that side out. So it's done pushed any debris in here back out. So now we're going to switch this around. And this would be the way it shoots in the engine. Comes with 2 little wires here. You just push it in there. So that now injector is nice and clean. I did start cleaning this one already to see how it worked. Because if the system was no good, I was not going to show you guys. And it would just be garbage. But this is the dirty one. Put our connectors up. Got them hooked in. Again, we're going to start that side, push it on. Hit the pulse button. You do waste a little bit with it, but a lot cheaper than buying injectors. That's the way I look at it. Make sure there ain't no debris in there. Now again, this is going to be the way we clean it. This is how it looks when it shoots in the car. So, nice little mist. And we're going to change the mode. This is a pretty cool little tool. Injectors are all clean, so now they can go back on. We're going to do all the injectors. Clean up the fuel rail and get it back together. Later, folks.